Let's see what this 550 talking about right quick. GM Gang, what's good? Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. As y'all can see, the sun is setting and let's see if we can complete this drive before it gets dark. Let's see what this 550 talking about right quick. Type shit. Yeah, it's like freezing out here, guys.
Caution, speed camera ahead.
But yeah, gang, we got some big changes coming. I've had this car now for 2 years, but it's been stocked for way too long, and so it's time to invest in some upgrades. Now, I want to talk to you guys today on the kind of upgrades that I had in mind. And so if there's anything that I don't name that you guys want to suggest, drop it into the comments. Oh, that's a cat. Damn. Let's see what type of time he on. What we doing? Oh, okay. Unfortunately, that was her exit, so dang. But yeah, guys, I want to talk to y'all about some of the upgrades I've been looking at. Now, I know you all are probably thinking the same thing I'm thinking as far as what the first upgrade is going to be. We all know that it has to be a tune. It's only right for that first upgrade to be a tune. And I couldn't agree more. And I say that because the N63, there's so much potential behind this. Now, before this car, I had a 2017 340i, and that was with the B58, and we all know how much potential that engine has. But the N63, now you all have seen from a few videos back that this car runs an 11.7 on the quarter. Mind you, that's straight out the factory. So just imagine what the numbers would look like with a stage 2 tune. That's a convertible Maserati. It's clean. Now, there are other things to keep in mind when tuning, such as lowering springs, struts. These things are necessary because you got to think, this car's suspension system is designed for the factory output. So when you go to add power, you have to accommodate for that. So needless to say, those things will be added in conjunction with the tune. It's exciting though, because outside of my dash cam and radar detector, I haven't done anything to the car. Pickup is crazy. All right guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next upload.